Hi guys, this is Edward speaking again, and today we are going to talk about linking some. Let's start. When you greet somebody, you most of the time you say, "How are you?" and they answer in this way: "I'm fine, I'm okay, no bad, very well." But what will happen is somebody answer your question in this way: "Good and you, good and you." Probably you won't understand what he said. So, uh, really good and you mean good and you. Good and you. You wanna listen, many people answer this kind of question in this way. Informal, usual information. It focuses especially on the last consonant sound of a word linked to the first vowel sound of the next word. Rule. Okay, the rule is consonant and vowel blend. Examples: hold, don't. You can see I have two words, hold and the preposition on, but the verb hold end with a D sound, and on start with a vowel sound O. You are gonna blend it. Hold on. The same with a stand up. Stand end with a consonant sound, and up start or begin with a vowel sound. Stand up. In the same way, put on. It's better to say put on. It's more natural. Okay, let's look at this example. Hold on a second, stand up and sit down. Hold on a second, stand up and sit down. Repeat after me. Hold on a second, stand up and sit down. Great. All right, I got the first exercise. Listening, guess what I say. I have a lot of cousin. I have a lot of cousin. I have a lot of cousin. Cousin. What did I say? Yeah, you got it. I have a lot of cousin. That's great. Consonant and vowel blending. Let's do the second exercise. Listen and guess what I say. I love you, but I don't know what to do, what to say. I love you, but I don't know what to say. I love you, but I know what to say. Yeah, you got it. I love you, but I don't know what to say. I love you, but I don't know what to say. Guys, this is all, right? I hope you enjoy. I hope you like it. And linkings are very important. If you want to speak like American speaker, you should know the rule of linking sound and use it, because it will help you to speak easily and understand with other people easily, right? Bye bye and take care. See you next time.